You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American musician, singer, songwriter. If you want to learn more music celebrity names, stay tuned. The Black Keys, the Arcs, the Barn Burners, Dan, how to pronounce in English, Dan, American English, Dan would be British English, Dan Auerbach, Dan Auerbach. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.